Hello everyone, I'd like to show you to do some basic things with the program Audacity. You're going to make a podcast, which means that you're going to have different people speaking. And this is a way to get the different people to speak and then use this editor to put everything together. Or you can speak directly onto the program, or you can send other people files of you speaking from anything from WhatsApp type of things and put in, and then someone edits it and puts everything together to make a podcast. So I want to show you to do it directly. If you want to directly speak, if you're the host, you want to say, hello everybody, you click on the record and you just start speaking. You say, hello everybody and welcome to the show. Let's go back and hear it from the beginning. This is the button. Make sure you've got this I here. We go to the beginning and we listen. And you just start speaking. You say, hello everybody and welcome to the show. Now, if you look at it, this is exactly my voice. This is my voice pattern. I don't want this beginning bit. I just want to start from here. Hello everybody and welcome to the show. Okay? So in order to take this bit off, we're using the I, mark it from here to the bit that I don't want, and I just click on the scissors and it goes back to the beginning. So now I just hear, hello everybody and welcome to the show. Okay? Now if I want to add to this somebody else's voice and they've given me the voice, then I go to import and I import into here the voice that someone sent me, or the file that someone sent me. I'm going to show this to you as an audio file. I'm going to take an audio file and I'm going to bring in from a library I have, just something that I just quickly recorded beforehand, which is just sounds of a horn. So I'm going to bring that in. Now I brought it in here at the bottom, which is fine. We can hear it. Let's go to the beginning and hear from the beginning. Hello everybody and welcome to the show. But maybe I don't want I want to change the order. Maybe I want to hear a bit of horn beforehand, or hello everyone, welcome to the show, and then have the horn. Let's say we want the horn to be afterwards. Okay? So I go to this button. This is the other button you need to learn. And I take this and I move it to where I want it to be. Okay? Maybe you want to have this twice. So I could actually go back to this, go on to the end of the horn, Control C, go back to the beginning, put here Control V, and I've got the horn at the beginning, and then I've got the horn again later on. Now, this is all a bit of a mess, as you can see, because I've got the horn and I've got me speaking at the same time. So probably what I'd like to do is to take me speaking on this, moving, and move me. So I've got the horn at the beginning, I've got me coming in and speaking, some sort of overlap between the two, and then I want another horn at the end, so let's move this back, and that starts here. That seems to be nice. I've got speaking, horn, speaking. So let's go back to the beginning and see what happens. Hello everybody. Oh, sorry, I marked this here. Okay, let's go back to the beginning. And hear the whole thing. Okay. Hello everybody and welcome to the show. Okay, not particularly dynamic, but that's the idea of how you put this video together. Now, so you use the button, this import button, to bring in information or record. Okay, and move things along. If you want to continue recording from this place where you finished, and you want to continue speaking, then you put this mark, this one here, here. And you'll continue recording here. Okay? Now, whenever you want to go back, you've made a mistake, This magic button is this. You can go back to the beginning. Okay, there are lots of effects here. If you want to make the sound louder or quieter, you can play with this all day long. There are many more tutorials. When you've finished, you go here and you do export audio and you choose MP3. Now, in order to do MP3, I've given you a little tool to download, and it's on the instruction page. So you do save, you give it a name, you sure, and what it does is it condenses all these different lines together into one file, voice file. You can't cut it and make changes once you've saved it, but you can save the Audacity. So you want to save two things: the final version and the version you're working in. So you do sure, okay, and it's saved. But you've also had the option of, I'm sorry, mine's in English, saving the project. Once you save the project, you can, an Audacity project, then you can continue working on it again and again. Okay, so you have to do both. I hope this is clear. It's a lot of fun doing this. It's used a lot for teaching English. You can get rid of all your ums and ahs by cutting them out and improving the way you speak. You can use it for, it's used for oral proficiency and that type of stuff. But students love to use this for making their own programs, their own radio programs, inviting guests and messing around with it. It's a wonderful use of for oral English. So there are plenty of tutorials going into more depth on YouTube, but I think what I've given you is enough for the beginning. Okay, so enjoy.